Hey everyone, today I am checking out this 4K dash camera. This is a really good dash camera. It has lots of different features, including that built-in GPS, which I absolutely love, and that it can work with an app. So let's take a look at everything that comes with this camera. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and test it out and show you exactly how it looks. So here is the camera itself, nice and small. I love how small it is. This whole side rotates right here, so you can really set it up to get the exact angle that you want. And this also has a sticker, so you can just peel that off and stick it to your dashboard wherever you want to set it up right there. So it does have that Wi-Fi button, so you can turn that Wi-Fi on. You do just want to peel this off so that you have that camera. There is the camera itself right there. And this is actually voice control as well. So you can actually use this camera and use your voice to tell it to take a picture, to start recording, to lock a video. So I really like that feature because it's hands-free. You can do it while you're driving. Here is the charger cord. So this is what you are actually going to plug in to the camera and to your cigarette lighter of your car. So this just goes on the side of your car and this goes into the camera itself. Has a really nice long cord, so it's not going to get in your way while you're driving. It also comes with these little clips. So if you wanted to clip that cord up around the edge of your car, this tool will help you push it in so that the wires are not hanging down. It does come with an extra sticker as well and a nice user manual. So you can go ahead and look through this manual. I just saw a QR code to help you set up the app and then you are ready to go. So let's go ahead and download the app and then get the camera set up in the car and then take it for a test drive. All right, so here is what it looks like when it is on. It can show you that it has that blinking right there, so that means that it is recording. It does show that the Wi-Fi is on and the voice activation is on, and it also shows that it has the SD card in it. So you need to have that SD card inserted in the side or else the camera won't work. And again, then you can just plug it in to your cigarette lighter. You can then stick it. We're gonna stick it right up here on this window on the dashboard, and then it'll be ready to go. You can adjust the camera wherever you'd like, and you are all set. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a drive and then see how the video
That I heard Tamlin's deep voice and Lucian's braying laugh echo through the halls all the way up to my painting room.
And that's gonna help stream all those videos right to your phone while you're driving. So you find the camera's Wi-Fi address. You're gonna type in the password just like it says right here.
But in the
months
months I've been there, my sharp bones and skeletal form
give you a
had
few
filled
little
out.
directions about how to turn off the mobile data on your phone, and this is just going to make sure
I ran my
that it
hands
is
over the
working
sweeping,
accurately,
soft
so that
curves of my
GPS
waist
can
and
follow
hips.
you as well if you want to use that GPS function.
I had never thought I would feel anything but
important that you get
muscle
all
and
those
bone.
things set up. So then once you have it set up, this is what the app looks like. So you're going to click in the middle to see a real-time video, and then it's going to just load this screen, and then it's going to show you exactly what the camera is looking at. So you can see right here, we are in a parking lot, it's raining, so the windshield wipers are on. You can turn to be in a full screen mode, and you can see that red dot in the corner that it is recording. It also has the time and date stamp at the bottom, which is really nice because you know exactly when this video was recorded. So this is recording on my phone on the app, and it's also recording on that SD card that you put into the camera. So you have two different copies, which is just awesome. So you can do audio recording if you wanted to. You can do the display video. You can stop the recording if you wanted to manually stop it. You can do that as well. And you can also change the settings if you wanted to go into the GPS, if you wanted to just adjust what you're seeing or how the recording goes. This does offer loop recording, so it's going to record automatically just for 1 minute, and then after that minute is up, it is going to stop and start a new video. So you can lock those videos if you wanted to so it doesn't delete it, but it is going to just keep rewriting over the videos on the SD card unless you lock the videos. Again, you can change all of that in the setting. You can go right here and see the videos that you've taken and check out what you have recorded in the past. And you can also then go into your camera. You can save the video if you wanted to download it, and you can see it in real time. So here is a video that was saved as we were driving down the street and the video was recording. So you can see a very clear picture. It was a little rainy that day, but it's super easy to set up. I love that it works with that app, so you can get that real-time streaming and you can see everything on your phone as well as on the SD card. So give this dash camera a try if you wanted to. It does have that 24-hour park feature. It does have loop video. It has lock videos. It has voice control, Wi-Fi, everything you need in a dash cam.